Okay, dear people, we will take a look at completing the square. So we have an example, right? The example is y equals x squared plus 12x plus 20. So what you're going to do is write down your equation and make up your mind as to how completing the square actually works. So once you have that idea of what to do, you'll be like, okay, let me do it step by step, right? Once you have your goal as to what it's supposed to look like at the end, you will kind of know what steps to take. Plus 20. Yes, plus 20. So you will need to write this in vertex form. Okay? Complete the square to write in vertex form. That is the goal. Complete the square to write in vertex form. So you have to know what vertex form looks like and what the goal is. Okay, so let's just set the expectation. The vertex form tells you you have an A, and then you're going to do x minus h squared plus k. And you're like, what are all these letters? Like why, right? And why now h and k? I do understand the confusion because, look, in the standard form, you have ax squared plus bx plus c. Like, where did the b and the c go all of a sudden? Right? Like, what is all this? So don't get frustrated. Here's the good news, right? The a is still there. What is my a? A is 1. So I already know that. Okay? I already know that. So now, what am I going to do? Let me show you the steps from here. Your b term, you have to take half of it and square it in order to get your perfect square squeezed in. What do you mean squeezed in? Well, that's what I mean. This guy right here is the problem because 20 is not a perfect square and doesn't allow us to just easily do what we want to do. So you have to move it aside. Okay, let's do that. Let's just move it aside. We are going to say x squared is fine. I can work with you. 12x is fine. I can work with you. But the tail is a mess. Move away. So create some space there, okay? That way, that term that is your b, okay, 12 is your b, take half of it. That is 6. Now square it. Ding, ding, 36. 6 squared is 36. I'm going to move 36 in here. Positive. By the way, it will always be positive because no matter what number you put to the power of 2, it's going to be positive, right? So now you're like, okay, fine. But wait, now I changed my equation. I can't just add 36 to one side. You're right, you can't. All right, you cannot. Unless you counteract and take it away again. Okay, this is a bit in the way now. Oh, so basically it's like you added 36 and then you took it away. It's like, what is this nonsense? Why are we doing this? And that's why you're doing it. X plus 6 times x plus 6 is the factored form of this trinomial. And then, of course, you have minus 16 because these two like terms can come together now. Oh, okay. Why? Oh, there's the why. You may wonder, why are we doing this? I still don't know why. Yeah, you do. So that you can see the vertex. Check it out. You're like, no, I don't see the vertex. Yes, you do. Because for that, you have to know that in the vertex form, dear people, okay, we're going to go back to this H. And that's why we're using different letters, because these numbers are now different. You see that? The opposite of H and the K as it is, which is my negative 16, are indicators for what my vertex is going to be about. And the vertex is, dear people, at opposite, switch keep. Keep. Well, not the best choice here with the color, I guess. What would show better? That's the question. So negative 16, of course. Okay? There in the back, that's negative 16. That's your vertex. Boom. Negative 6, negative 16, and you're done. That is the strength of the vertex form. We complete the square to write an equation that was previously in standard form in vertex form to easily see the vertex. I hope it helped and you loved this.